Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and Mommy is still asleep. But when I woke up this morning, I didn't even cry. Oh, is that my foot? Oh yeah, it's still there. Ooh, my hand smells amazing. I'm gonna go smack this thing. He was being mean. Take that. I'm gonna sit down here for a second. Yep. Take that. And that. So, my morning's been great. Woke up, laid down in my crib. My daddy came in and fed me. Oh, is that my block?
Bless you, bless you. I mean, bless me.
Good morning. Good morning. Think you got a big smile on? What? Good morning, Mr. Head. Good morning, Mr. Little Face. Me and Khoa just ate lunch. And I think we're gonna go and
See puppies!
we're not gonna buy a puppy, but we're just gonna go look at them and see how Jackson like reacts with them and stuff. He's like, we're not buying one. Mr. Jackson, you're the one. You make all of life so much fun. What now? What are you doing?
Be careful.
Jackson, you ready to go look at puppies?
He is my puppy.
You ready to go see puppies?
He is my little puppy.
Got my Pizza is Life shirt on and we're ready to go. Let's go see puppies.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
He likes them. Oh, look, he wants them. Oh, no, no, no. Nice, be nice.
Okay.
It's so cute. Jackson loved the little puppies. We put them in the room thing with a, what was it called? Called a cockapoo or something. And he was just like in awe of it. He was super scared of my friend's big dog, if you guys watched that one vlog. So I just wanted to see how he'd do with like a little puppy. And he really liked it. But we're not gonna get a puppy anytime soon. 2 kids is a lot to add a puppy in the mix. So I think we'll get one when they're little, or when we buy a house. When I have my own house and we can be responsible for it peeing and pooping on places and stuff, because you know that's what puppies do. So plus I'll need time to train it and everything, and right now I'm just don't have the time. So we wanted to see how Jackson reacted to it, and he was so cute. Don't you wish there was a little puppy here crawling around with us?
Yeah.
But no, at the same time.
I wanted that husky.
He was pretty. So we're home now, no puppy, but at least now we know that Jackson likes puppies, because I was nervous because whenever he met my friend's dog, he just like freaked out. So I think he was just a big dog and it scared him. So yeah, that's why we went there. We just wanted to see. It's a nice place to be able to put the puppies with him. To look. He's like, "Oh, are you vlogging without me, Mom? I need to be in it." He's a little sad. He's a little sad that there's no
the
puppy.
puppies when they're going,
Oh, yeah.
Jackson was going,
Yeah. And to like see his facial expressions were so funny. Okay. It's about his nap time. So I'm about to put him down and then we're gonna clean up again. I feel like all we ever do is clean, right?
Yeah.
It's because we come down and then Jackson just destroys everything. Look at all those toys. Look at all those toys all over the place. And he ruined our remote. The backside of it doesn't work anymore. I think it's because he drooled all over it. Yep. You alright?
Okay. He wanted me.
Are you dreaming about Papa?
He wanted me. Didn't you? Yes.
Oh, now he wants down, haha.
He wants upside down.
Nani's home! Yay! Finally, Jackson missed her. Yes. He's like, where have you been? Give a kiss. He's like, I didn't miss you that much. We missed
Welcome
you,
home.
Squish.
How was Catherine's?
Fine, she was fine.
How's she feeling?
She feels like shit.
10, 8. Oh my gosh.
9.
Yes!
Dang it. Okay, I need a break.
We are the champions. We are the champions.
You probably tell him how many times
Rude.
I gave you before that game.
Road? Road? Alright, we're on You Now right now. Spontaneous You Now. Just decided to hop on. Jackson's running around back here. Now he's crawling. He was just walking. And hey, so if you guys are going to be watching this, say hi to yourself tomorrow. Or today, since you'll be watching the vlog today. I don't know. It's all relevant. Here you go. Hi, vlog. It's so cool. I like it whenever you guys like screenshot it and say, hey, I'm on the vlog. Sam B. Green 1999. Thank you, Sam.
Ow. Hold my hair.
Hi, vlog. Alright, guys. I'm going to give it like 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, thanks for saying hi to the vlog. Now say bye. Love y'all so much. Cash for the boys. I remember you.
Hit accept.
Bye, vlog.
I think you have to hit
Okay, we have to hit accept to that. Alright, here you go. Here you go, mama.
So we're making dinner right
Appreciate it.
now. We're having roast
I love you guys
beef
so much from Dan
and
Chef.
broccoli and potatoes.
Alright,
and
guys.
rice.
Hey, so,
Yeah.
yeah, vlogging is so
And
fun.
Khoa,
And if you guys
as you know.
don't have, like... So, guys, I messed up. I was playing tag with Jackson, and it was so cute because he was actually playing tag. I would touch him, and then he would chase me, and then he would touch me, and then I would chase him, and he would actually run away, like he knew the game. But then he started running, and he got a little too excited, and then he fell on his head. Yeah, so then he fell on his head. And look at him. Jackson, look at his forehead. Oh, he wants to get down. Look at him. You see it? Yeah, so now he wants to go out and play on his own now. Jackson, let me see.
Did you tell him
Jackson.
what happened?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
We were running around like the little ottoman thing, like the thing, and he was holding onto it and running. But then he got like excited and he started running like the other way, and he like looked back from me, and then he like tripped over his foot and then like fell down. He fell on the rug, which
Got like a rug burn.
he got like a rug burn right there as well as a bump. But I'm glad it wasn't on the wood. So that's why it's like a little cut. But yeah, I feel so bad. I feel like it's my fault. And I'm so sad. I lost my appetite. I can't even eat dinner now.
If you know Khoa, he rarely loses his appetite.
Yeah. I'm so sad.
It's okay, baby.
I'm sorry. Jackson. Hey, Jackson. Look at him. You guys see the bump?
Jackson. Jackson.
I'm so sad.
Did you have fun with the puppies today, Jackson?
They're so cute.
You got it. You got the new sleeper. Do you want to sleep in this? Do you want mommy to put you in this to sleep? It's a little fire truck. Jackson is a death trap today.
I love you, Jackson. I'm sorry.
You guys are so cute.
I love him.
See, he loves you. So we decided that we are going to live stream the gender reveal party. So if you guys don't follow us on YouNow, go ahead and follow us. And aww, he's so sleepy. And we will be that'll be August 6th at 1 p.m. I'm not sure how long it'll last. We'll probably be on for a few hours to get the reveal. So if you're excited, make sure if you don't watch it, we'll have if you don't have time to watch it, we'll have a video, of course, that shows the gender reveal, and a daily vlog, of course, too. You know, it's hard because I want to make like a cute special gender reveal video, but then I want to daily vlog it too, you know, so it's like there's gonna be 2 different videos about it, but whatever. I want it for like the memories and stuff. So, and Jackson is excited to live stream. He's over there doing mischief again. What are you doing? Alright, but thumbs up this video if you're excited about the live stream. Yay! That was actually Khoa's idea. But the battery's about to die. So, Khoa,
This is the part of the vlog
where we say good night. We love you so much. Don't forget to check out me and Khoa's personal channel
I love you.
and all the amazing links down below.
I love you.
And we will all see you in our next daily vlog. Bye, guys. He's attacking you.
Oh my goodness, I love that.
Bye, guys.